Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing a clean USB and grabbing the image you need. First, make sure the USB is at least 8 GB and any files are backed up. This will be erased. Once done, download the official Chrome OS Flex image or a compatible Chromium OS build and install the Chromebook Recovery Utility or Bailnet Etcher on your computer. Plug the USB in now, then open the Recovery Utility so you can select the downloaded image. This gets you straight into the right step without delay. You'll now write the image to the USB and verify it. In the Recovery Utility, choose the image file you downloaded, then carefully pick the USB device, double-check the drive letter to avoid wiping the wrong disk. Start the write process and use any verify option offered to ensure integrity. This may take 10 to 30 minutes depending on your stick and port. When finished, safely eject the USB using the OS eject function. If an error appears, note the exact message before retrying with a different port or USB. You'll finish by booting the machine from the USB and completing setup. Reboot the computer, open the BIOS or UEFI one-time boot menu, and select the USB device. If Secure Boot blocks you, disable it temporarily. Once Chrome OS loads, follow the on-screen steps to test or install. Choose Try Mode first if you want non-destructive testing. If something fails, try another USB port, recreate the image with Verify enabled, or try a different USB stick. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most boot issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.